If you're watching this video, then you've probably seen many other videos where people have promised, go start a business with AI and start making 7 figures a month or some other ridiculous claim like that. That's not going to be this video. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you one very realistic way of setting up an AI business where you can charge your customers just a couple of $100s per month to have an AI chatbot configured on their website that's going to help convert customers. You could set this up in less than 30 minutes and slowly, over time, begin building thousands of dollars in monthly recurring revenue every single month. No fluff. I'm going to tell you exactly what it is, and I'm going to tell you the exact platform that I use and that many other people are using to do the exact same thing. But before I do, I want to show you something interesting. I was actually searching about this and found this cool Forbes article. It was written back in late January of 2026, just dealing specifically with this exact task. 5 agents you can deploy in your business in the next week. Now, that was a little bit too much. You could really set it up much quicker than that. But one of the first ones I want to show you about is the one that I'm going to be talking about right now, the 24/7 lead capture and service agents. Now, if you're not familiar or if you've never run a small business, one of the main problems that small businesses have is they get people to their website, but they can't necessarily get them converted. And it could be for several reasons. Number one, it could be a crappy website and they're just not doing very well with being able to answer questions or to get information for people who, again, are just looking to gather information. They don't want to necessarily make a phone call to you. They don't want to be sold. They don't want to go through that pressure. They just want to go to your website, see if that's something that they can do business with you. And here you have this little AI chatbot that's able to answer questions for them so that they can interact, get the information that they need, and even potentially book an appointment. Let me just show you a few of them that this platform I'm going to show you has to offer. So the first one here is actually on a landscaping website. And this one, if you take a look down here, this is what a chatbot looks like. If you close it, let me kind of move myself out of the way here. But this little circle down here, you'll often see these on websites, and typically it's in the lower right-hand corner. But this particular website widget, you can actually configure any place on the page that you want. Top left corner, top right corner, middle of the left side, wherever you want. And you'll see that this is very easy to get configured. We're actually going to configure one very quickly in literally just about two to 3 minutes. And it'll be fully up and working, and you can just simply install it on your customer's website. They start paying you, no kidding, anywhere from $200 to $300 easily as a minimum. Keep in mind, these people, getting people coming to their website, they could be having 10 people per day, 100, 500 per day, all hitting their website, but they're not converting those customers. So in a sense, they're losing. And for businesses that have a really high customer lifetime value, meaning what that customer is worth to them, that could be tens of thousands of dollars per month that they're losing because they just simply cannot convert people that visit their website to customers, which is exactly what this problem solves for just a very little amount of money every single month. Now, keep in mind, if you go out and look for chatbots, this is something that's a pretty hot topic. You'll find ones that are free that really don't do a whole lot, but they're at least something, or all the way up to $10,000, $20,000 per month to run a more enterprise, fully integrated programmed AI chatbot. So your $200 to $300 pricing per customer is not really a whole lot. You may think it is, but it's really not to small businesses. So anyway, let's take a look and see what these things can do. Here's one of them that pretty much gives you an interface. I actually like this one because this one's called the all-in-one chat widget. Now, it's called all-in-one because there are multiple different communication channels that the platform I'm going to show you. It's actually called HighLevel, and that's a platform that I've been using for over 4 years now, and that many other people are getting into. It's a top sales and marketing platform, but it has all of these tools built into it, the system already, making it very easy for you to just configure it, copy a little piece of code, put it on the client's website, and start charging $300 a month every single month. And once it's set up, you don't need to go back and continue to do anything. It's just almost reoccurring monthly money that you get from your client every single month. And then this website widget converts customers and actually gets them to start purchasing services from your clients. So here's the one all-in-one widget. This is really good because it allows you to sit back and choose which one you actually want, what form of communication. There are several that the HighLevel platform can do. For instance, there's an SMS email, which is pretty much like a form-based. You put in your name and phone number. You can also configure email on this. If you want to do a live chat, this is where you can actually get live answers, where you can type stuff in and get live communication back and forth. That's another way that you could do it. Or you can simply do even a chat with voice. Now, this is pretty cool. This is another one that I'm going to show you. It's actually this website here, but this is a cool one where you can actually speak to a live AI assistant directly to the website without having to make a phone call. Now, there are a few other ones here. I don't have this integrated with social media. So there are like Facebook, Instagram. You can connect WhatsApp to this chatbot. So if you're outside the US or if your customers are outside the US, you can definitely use WhatsApp on this as a method of communication. All of that stuff can be configured. But one of the things I really do is this chat, is this voice receptionist here. And I just kind of wanted to show you here. Let me just show you what this thing can do. It's pretty awesome here. So let's make a phone call. Turn this up a little bit and see if we
Hey, you have reached Digi Global Marketing Agency. How can I help you today?
Yes, I'm looking to get an AI chatbot for my website. Can you help me with that, please?
Yes, we can definitely help you with an AI chatbot for your website. Our AI-powered chatbots are designed to simulate human conversation using natural language processing, NLP. They can handle customer inquiries, provide recommendations, and automate business support tasks 24/7. This ensures your customers get real-time assistance while you focus on other priorities. Would you like to discuss specific features or how we can tailor the chatbot to your business needs?
Sure. I'd love to have somebody tell me about it and see if I can get this set up on my website.
Got it. I'll make sure a team member reaches out to you to discuss the details and help you get started with setting up the AI chatbot for your website. Before we proceed, could I get your name, email address, and the best way to contact you? This will help us ensure everything is set up smoothly.
Sure. My name is Ray O'Daniel.
Thanks, Ray. Let me confirm that. That's Ray O'Daniel, spelled Raydaniel, right?
Correct.
Great. Could you also share your email address so we can send you the details and follow up?
Now, I could have gone on with this. It'll grab the email address and it'll even ask for potentially your address if you wanted to, what it is that you're looking to do. But this is how the AI chatbot can answer questions and actually sit back, gather lead information, and then pass that lead on to the business owners so they don't lose the website visitor day to get on their website. This is exactly what the AI chatbot was programmed to do. Now, this right here is a cool new feature that the HighLevel platform has just released over the last couple of months, this new AI component where people can literally make a phone call directly to AI, or you can use either one of the chatbots that you want. But let me just show you how easy it is to configure these. So here's one of my test accounts that I've actually got this stuff working on here, and I'm going to go to sites. Now, just to let you know, there are a lot of menu options and a lot of things that you can do inside of HighLevel. I'm talking about one small feature that the HighLevel platform has that you can make $200 to $300 a month per customer with every single month just by building them an AI chatbot and converting those customers. Now, you can make a lot more. Let's just say a lot more, and I don't want to get into it in this particular video, but there are other AI features. There's website hosting, there's workflow automation, there's review management, many things that you can do inside the HighLevel platform. I just want to be realistic. I just want to give you one way. A lot of people are just saying, hey, you've got all these AI tools to go build and make all this money. Great. Show me a practical way. Show me what problem I could solve. Show me how to do it. Show me how much money I could charge, and that I could take it from there, which is exactly what I want to do in this video. So right now, what you want to do is come up here to the chat widget. This is just where you build it. You're just going to simply click on New Chat Widget. Now, here's all the different widgets that you can build. One of them we saw is the all-in-one chat widget. That gives you all of these different options that you see right here. It gives you all of them that you have configured. For instance, if you don't want WhatsApp and you don't want to have it configured, you don't have to. But just as an example, you could have any communication method that the client wants to communicate with on the chat widget and let them choose on how to communicate in case they don't want to make a voice call. That may be the case. But anyway, this right here, I'm just going to simply do the voice AI because that's pretty cool. So I'm going to select this one. It's going to open up this. I give it a name here at the top. Now, all the things that are on here are completely customizable. So if I wanted to change the style, I could change the way that the chat prompt looks. I could change the icons by just simply clicking here, and it changes the icons here in the bottom right. If I want to make this a purple color, I can make it purple. If I want to make it green, orange, all these different colors, I can simply change it. I could change the greeting. So instead of talk to us, I can change that. Here's where I said you could put this little grid. You could put it anywhere you want. So if I want to put it in the top left corner, you notice it's over here. Top right corner, it's over here now. In the middle on the left, it's right there. Here's where this icon is. So you can configure this to be wherever you want. I'm just going to put it down on the bottom right. But you can also configure many other things with the chat, like up here at the top, talk to us, talk to me. And it just shows you in real time what this is, how it actually looks. All of this stuff is configurable. If you want to have your actual company branding on it, you can have your branding, because if somebody goes and visits your client's website and takes a look at it, they can actually see who it's powered by. Click on that link and actually go and purchase. That could be another client of yours. So all of the things are customizable, but by default, if this is all you want, you don't have to go through and change anything. You just simply come here and click save. And once you do that, this is now called chat widget number 3. Notice that we've changed the color and things like that. Now, if your website is here within HighLevel, they do make it a bit easier. But let's just say your chat widget is not, that they actually have their own website. Your customer has their own website for here. You'd want to open up this thing and come up here to this top button right here where it says get code. Scroll back up. So this right here, this is the code that you would need to just copy, paste on their website. And once you paste it on the website, it would now show up and begin converting customers directly from their website. It'll be able to answer questions. And one of the cool things about this website chat widget, it also has the ability to change what they call knowledge bases. So you can have one business that is like the DigiGoogle agency, a digital services agency selling AI services, but you can also have a landscaping service. So you can do landscaping. Or you can also do HVAC, be an electrician, you could be a nail salon, whatever it is, you can program the AI to respond to questions over any particular industry that you want. You just have to train the AI to do that. So this is how easy it is to get set up. And once you get it set up, you can copy that code. Or if the website is actually built within HighLevel, which by the way, I'm just letting you know, besides the AI chatbot that you're charging $200 or $300 a month, let's just say if you do come here, you want to build a website and you come over here to this template, you can use one of these templates that you can automatically give to any of your customers, configure it. And this is if you're a website guy. I'm not. I built websites, but I'm not the website designer guy myself. But you can just simply choose a template, use this, give it to the particular customer, and now you can actually start charging them another $97 a month easy to do website hosting and managing their website for them. Hopefully that makes sense. So that's a cool way to do this. And the cool thing is there's this new AI feature built in here that allows you to actually import their existing website in here using some ChatGPT prompts. Anyway, let me just going to show you this. If you did have a website here, I'm going to open up this one for landscaping. I'm just going to come here, settings, and then I'm just going to come down here to the chat widget right here and just simply choose the one, chat widget 3. That's the one that we just created. And I click save. Now, sometimes this does have a little bit of a delay with getting the chat widget up there, but let's just see if this is actually going to work. So if we just simply do a refresh, notice that now we do get the new icon, the new colors. That's how easy it is to actually build an AI chatbot, install it on a website that you have at least built in a HighLevel, or it might take you another 15 minutes to copy the code and put it up to their particular website. But now any customers that actually call will actually call and communicate, just like we saw on the demonstration, gather the information, and then the automation pieces can send that email and contact information directly to the owner so they can follow up without ever losing that lead. And again, this is how you can start a small business part-time while you're still working a 9-to-5 job, get 1 customer, 2 customers, 10 customers, 50 customers. And as you start getting more and more customers, that $300 a month keeps growing. It's cumulative. So now you're at $5,000 a month, then $8,000, then $10,000, then and more by just simply continue to add more and more customers while doing this part-time. Because like I said, whenever you get this thing set up, there's really not much to do afterwards. Just let the system run. So if this really interests you, smash that like button. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. If you're looking to get signed up with HighLevel for this particular one, you can actually get a 30-day free trial with my link in the video description. Right now, if you go directly to HighLevel, they'll only give you 14 days. So you do get an additional couple of weeks with my special link to actually get signed up, be able to get this thing configured. And when you do sign up using my link, I will be your coach. I will help you get everything set up and start getting customers even within the first 30 days. So thanks for hanging in there with me. Have a great day. And again, just take it easy.